Okay, this problem is second problem. Okay, second largest number. Okay, and let's read the question and let's find out that what question is trying to say. So you have been given a and array A of n unique non-negative numbers. Find the second largest and second smallest element from the array. Return the two second largest and second smallest as an array of size 2. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to find two things. One is second largest element of the array and second smallest element in the array. So how can we do this? Let's find out. Okay. So let me clear all this. Let me clear all these. Yeah. Okay. So what we have to do? For let's take a array for example. Okay, and let's take a array of 2, 3, 1, 8, 6, 0, 9. Okay, so as you see that what can be the second largest array element of the array. Okay, so you can see that 8 is the second largest element of the array. Okay, and as what is the second smallest element in the array, so 1 is the second smallest element in the array. Okay. So that's exactly what we have to find out. Okay, how can we do that? So there is one way. First of all, for finding the second largest and second smallest element in the array, first of all, we have to find out what is the largest and smallest element in the array. Then we will search again that what is the second largest element in the array. Okay. So for finding the largest element in the array, or what we will do, we'll declare a variable max, and this is going to be a very negative number. Okay, into dot min value. Okay, so this is going to be a very minimum number. Now what we have to do, we have to look through the array. Okay, so we will be here. Okay, we will see that is 2 greater than max. So of course 2 is greater than max because initially max is very negative number, so max will be 2. Then we will be at 3. So is 3 greater than 2? Yes, of course it is greater than 2. So max will be 3. Now we will be here at 1. So is 8 greater than 3? So no, it is not. So we are going to do nothing. Then we will be here at 8. So is 8 greater than 3? So of course it is. So max is going to be 8. Now we will be at 6. So is 6 greater than 8? No, it is not. Is 0 greater than 8? No, it is not. At last, we will be at 9. So is 9 greater than 8? Of course it is. So we will just, one second. No? Yeah. So it is going to be 9. So max is going to be 9. Okay. And similarly, we are going to find the minimum as well. Okay. So how can we find the min? Okay. So how can you find the min? So same logic. We have to declare a minimum variable, and this is going to be a very large number in the top max. Okay, and at every instance, what we are going to do, we are going to just that compare our current element with the minimum. Okay, so is this lower than min? Of course, it is because initially minimum is a very high number, so we will this and we will declare 2 as minimum. Okay, is this lower than 2? No, it is not, so we are going to do nothing. Is this lower than 2? So of course it is, so we are going to declare 1 as minimum. Is this lower than 1? No, it is not, so we are going to do nothing. Is this lower than min? So no, it is not. Is this lower than min? So just it is. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are just going to declare 0 as minimum. Now, is this lower than minimum? No, it is not. So After doing this, we will get two things. Okay, we'll get max. Max is going to be 9, and we will get minimum. And minimum is going to be 0. Okay. Now we don't have to find maximum and a minimum. We have to find second largest element, which is a second max and a second minimum. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to do the same thing, but with one catch. Okay. We are going to do something like this. So we will find second max. Okay. Second max. Second max initially is going to be very negative number. Okay. It is going to be very negative number. Now we will look through the array, and we will every time we will check that is the current element greater than second max, and is the current element equal to our max. Okay. If is it is equal to, you will get when we will dry run. Okay. So it two is two greater than max. So of course it is because initially it is a very negative number. Okay. So of course it is. So so we are going to declare 2 as a second max. Is 3 greater than 2? So yes, it is. And the 3 is also not equal to our max. Okay. So we are going to declare like this. Okay. Is 1 greater than 3? No, it is not. Is 8 greater than 3? Of course it is. Okay. And also it is not equal to max. Max is 9. Okay. So it is not equal to max. So we'll do like this. Here at 6. Is 6 greater than 8? No, it is not. Is 0 greater than 8? No, it is not. We are going to do nothing. At last, we have 9. So is 9 greater than 8? Yes, it is. 9 is equal to our max. Okay. 9 is equal to our max. So we are not going to do anything. Okay. Similarly, we will do same thing, same logic for the second min as well. Okay. So second min, initially it is going to be a very high number and the dot max. Okay. Now we will run through the array. Okay. So is this lower than second mean? Of course it is, because initially we have a very high number, high positive number, and as a second mean. So of course it is. So it is going to be like this. 3, is it lower than 2? No, we are going to do nothing. 1, is it lower than 2? Yes, it is. And also it is not equal to our minimum. So we are going to declare 1 as uh, can we, uh, can we get more than 1? No, it's not lower than 1. No, it is not 0. Lower than 1. So yes, 0 is lower than is equal to for max. Period of period of when we is going to be so we will have second max is going to be max. Okay. Now why second max as because they are taking care of lots of uh,